Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles from the top right side of the screen, like this, and from there just locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which actually looks like it's turned off by default. So we'll need to tap right here on this pencil. And as you can see, it's right over here. So click on the plus, it will get added to your toggles. From there we can go back, and we have it right at the bottom. Now once you have it, you can hold it, at least the first time around, and this will quickly take us to the settings, where we will be able to customize some of the more important portions of it. So some of those would be things like people, which will include the option to select who can call you and message you, and schedules, which will allow you to set up an automated mode for it, so it will turn on and off at a provided time and day of the week. And you can have multiple different ones set up at the same time. If you're planning to use those, just make sure you toggle them on with this toggle right over here, and that's all you would need to do. For everybody else who wants to just use it manually from time to time, like random moments, then once you set it all up, you don't have to come back here ever again. And whenever you want to turn it on, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and there you go, it is now enabled. Now one thing to keep in mind is when you enable it this way, it will be running indefinitely in the background, so you will also need to remember a bit about turning it off. Otherwise, whatever the settings you have chosen will be permanently enabled. So for instance, if you have selected that no one can call you, then as long as this mode is enabled, everybody that tries to call you, well, you won't actually know about it, because the phone won't be letting you know in any kind of way. So just make sure you turn it off by tapping on it once more once you're finished with it. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.